Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I got this new truck. I bought it from Palawan yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yep.
Really?
The backside. This is my cousin Kuya J's kids. While my younger cousin Yuri is in boutique with my Lola Mama.
Can I see the other side?
Okay. There's good.
Here's the collection of Khair, of all the police car.
Yep. And all of
Oh,
the...
it's nice.
Nice. And my tank. Me tank. Slide. Two slides. Let's put it. Wait, we got a helicopter from rescue. Rescue to the rescue. Yeah. The rescue.
Why you love police cars?
I love playing with this when you grow up.
When you grow up?
I wish I had a mini. Pag wala ng virus, I'll go to the mall and have a vlog there to see the mini Force Toys and buy it. Even is some yummy pizza,
You have a money?
burger.
How can you buy?
Pag walang virus, ma'am. Pag
Oh.
walang ng virus.
Yeah, but do you have a money? How can you buy a toy if you don't have a
Daddy
money?
has the money.
Your dad has
Daddy's
a money.
collection is nice. Hi. We can go on a vacation to Malaysia pag wala ng virus to see the Petronas Twin Towers.
Don't show your underarm.
But it's Petronas Twin Towers.
Okay.
Let's open
Maybe
it.
next year.
Let's open it. Open it. We gonna open. It's helicopter down. We gonna play.
Wow.
Agent. I got two SWATs. Rescue. Release.
Show it here in the camera.
Bye-bye. Wait, there's military. Military jeeps. Legacy.
Drizzy, wag.
Come on, let's eat lunch now. But we're gonna do our vlog. Say bye-bye to the vlog. No. KMLD watch the video. Look, long escort. Hi, this is the tank. The rescue. Daming escort. And the headquarter truck. The headquarter truck. The SWAT team. The
Okay.
military team.
You need to have
Keep
lunch,
the
Khair.
legacy.
Eat your lunch na. Say bye-bye to your vlog.
Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. See you next time.
Okay.
I'll take this video.